John De La Rosa work for?
Yeah.
He did, right?
He was my task group commander in Mindanao because I had 3 task groups then under the Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Task Force. And I've already mentioned this, that I was surprised that he's a very much different De La Rosa now than during those days because he was then chief inspector.
Yes.
But whenever I would give him a mission, a task, he would just quietly deliver the results. And he was very different at the time than how the demeanor,
Right.
The demeanor is very different.
You mentioned John De La Rosa has changed from the time he was under your command to now.
All of a
how
sudden
changed how?
Well, all of a sudden he became a kengkoy, because at the time he was very serious, he was humble, but I can still vouch for his integrity. I knew him back then. He was an honest policeman, and he was really very diligent. He was hardworking, and he did things very quietly. Not so much fanfare. That's why I'm surprised to see him watching concerts. And I told him if I were chief PNP, and I would be in Las Vegas, and then something is happening, some crisis happening here.
Right.
I would have gotten off my seat and
come back.
take the first available flight back.